Hey, what's up SLP holder my brother. Today we talk about the SLP price prediction to upcoming time and 2022 my brother. What's our prediction and can they will give you a profits and what's the my friend our target. Everything I will discuss you. So kindly you need to watch this video completely and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time my brother you can see a small low portion as you can see your price prediction for year 2022. So the month as you can see here also available here now and the average price and the change occur. So remember, first of all, the May 2022, as you can see here, the price it will change into 0.54785477703 USD dollar. I think this is very cheap now, so kindly don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. All right, remember the 2nd June, as you can see, remember June 2022, you can see here 0.52 USD dollar. June 2000 July 2022, you can see over there 0.52 USD dollar. All right, August 2022, as you can see, 0.50 USD dollar. So that's a very bad weather for all of you now. They will fail us down. All right, remember what's the reason how we need my brothers to take a risk and get a profit. My brother, I think there is 100% chance for upcoming times they will give you a profit and they will make you a millionaire now. So please don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe this channel for all of you now. Allah Hafiz, take care.